Window installation Coleman services are essential for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our Coleman, Florida window installation experts specialize in providing top-notch window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking for vinyl windows Coleman or double-pane windows Coleman, our team ensures a seamless installation process, including expert window replacement Coleman, Florida for homes needing an upgrade. Energy-efficient windows Coleman are a smart investment for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our energy-efficient window solutions Coleman, Florida are designed to keep your home insulated, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. These solutions are also ideal when planning a complete window replacement Coleman, Florida to improve your home's efficiency. For those in need of window installation Coleman, our skilled technicians offer comprehensive services to address any window issues. From frame installations to seal installation, our full service offerings include window replacement Coleman, Florida to help homeowners restore functionality and appearance in one package. Window glass replacement Coleman is crucial for maintaining the clarity and safety of your windows. Our Coleman, Florida services provide high-quality glass options that enhance both security and aesthetics. Whether it's a minor fix or a complete overhaul, we specialize in window replacement Coleman, Florida that lasts. Home window services Coleman are vital for maintaining your window's long-term performance. Our residential window replacement Coleman, Florida services are ideal for homeowners looking to upgrade. We also provide commercial solutions, making us your go-to provider for reliable window replacement Coleman, Florida in any setting. Custom windows Coleman, Florida offer a unique way to personalize your space. From style to material, we tailor every feature. These custom options are perfect for homeowners considering a full window replacement Coleman, Florida, allowing total control over the final result. Window maintenance Coleman is key to extending the life of your windows. Our services include inspections and upgrades that help prevent future problems. With our window replacement Coleman, Florida options, you can easily transition from routine care to full upgrades when needed. Vinyl windows Coleman are known for their long-term durability and ease of care. Our vinyl window replacement Coleman, Florida services bring stylish and energy-efficient options to your home. We also install double-pane windows for even better performance during your full window replacement Coleman, Florida project. Window contractors Coleman are essential for projects done right the first time. Our trained specialists handle everything from hardware to caulking, and they excel at managing large-scale window replacement Coleman, Florida with precision and efficiency. Window screen replacement Coleman ensures fresh airflow without pests. Our Coleman, Florida services also cover sash installation and screen installations. Whether updating screens or undergoing a full window replacement Coleman, Florida, we're ready to help. Looking for the best window replacement Coleman, Florida company? Our Coleman, Florida installation experts specialize in everything from double-pane windows to vinyl upgrades. With our comprehensive window replacement Coleman, Florida solutions, your home or business is in excellent hands. For custom window solutions Coleman, Florida, our expert team designs windows to your specifications. These designs are often implemented during window replacement Coleman, Florida to refresh both function and curb appeal. We also provide hardware services for long-term performance. Our window contractors in Coleman, Florida offer frame, seal, and insulation work. Whether it's preventative maintenance or a complete window replacement, Coleman, Florida, we help your windows perform better and save on energy bills. If you're experiencing window problems, our Coleman services cover everything from leak installation to sash restoration. We provide full window replacement Coleman, Florida for homes needing structural and aesthetic window upgrades. Businesses also benefit from our commercial window replacement Coleman, Florida solutions, which are built for durability and energy performance. Our residential options include storm and tinted windows, ideal for any window replacement Coleman, Florida plan. Our affordable window replacement Coleman, Florida options ensure you can upgrade without overspending. We feature vinyl and double-pane windows, great for energy savings and style in your next window replacement Coleman, Florida project. In addition to installation, we offer screen and glazing services as part of your window replacement Coleman, Florida. Whether you need new screens or want enhanced insulation, our team ensures your window replacement Coleman, Florida meets the highest standards.